Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to its latest available update for the Android Pie users with the version ending 084. So on my screen you are able to view that Asus FOTA update have been seeded to my phone on version 082 for the version 084 with the size of 61.53 MB. So before we jump into the installation, downloading and installation process, let me confirm you the installed version on my phone. So you can see Android Pie version 9 security patch level 5 May 2020 build number ending 082. So before I again tap on downloading process, I need to discuss two minor things. One is related to the status of camera to API. So I have forcefully set the hardware support level to legacy on version 82, and we will see that after upgrading to 084 will it change to level 3 or not, or any full medium whatsoever. And apart to this, status of camera to API, status of Wideband certification. So at my side it is showing L3, so we'll verify whether it will change to L1 or not. If someone is already having L1, this will surely be keeping as an L1, because at my side L3 has been persisting since the time I have installed the Android 10 beta 1 version. So let's go and install the update, and afterward we'll verify everything. So update has been started downloading in the background, and it will take around nearly about 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, mobile data connection and so on. Although it is just 61.5 MB file, nothing major. So finally update has been downloaded properly or completely. Now it is asking us to update now. So let me tap it here. Now it is doing some integrity check in the background and preparing update to restart our phone. So within next 1 to 2 seconds it will reboot our phone, and next step would be to proceed to the installing system update wizard or screen. So finally we have been moved to the installing system update wizard or screen, and now it will take nearly about 2 to 3 minutes to complete this particular whole process, and afterward our phone will be rebooted within next 2 to 3 minutes, and afterward we'll confirm the status of camera to API and status of Wideband certification as well. So finally the update has been completed. Now it has rebooted our phone, and within next 2 to 3 minutes it will be directly booted to the login screen or home screen, and afterward we'll do the confirmation part. So finally phone has been successfully booted to the login screen, or I would say home screen. Let me try to swipe up to unlock it. So now it has been finishing this update in the background, and after a few seconds we'll see a prompt like system update successful. So now that particular prompt has been appeared like successful system update successfully updated to this particular version ending 084. Let me tap on OK, and let's move to settings section again to verify everything. So Android security patch level of 5 July 2020, build number ending 084 and so on. Apart to this, let's confirm the status of camera to API. So it's really disgusting that even before updating to this particular version, we were on legacy, and even after updating it is still same. And afterward, let's verify the status of Wideband certification. So at my side it was earlier as an L3, now even as L3. Most probably whenever it will be at your side, if it will be L1, then it will be changed to it will be intact and will keep to L1, because this has been persisting since the time I have flashed Android 10 beta 1 updating TWRP custom recovery along with some custom ROM. So this was all from my side related to the finally the FOTA update available for the version 084 for our beloved handset, that is an Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.